Welcome. This was me. I'm just going to share with you today what worked for me, and I hope it works for you. Let's get right into it. Welcome to your Jumpstart 7-day free program. Food, nutrition, exercise for the entire 7 days. Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a home fitness enthusiast, and I have been for over 25 years. I'm going to share with you today what worked for me. In the description box below, you're going to find 7 workouts for the 7 days. You're going to find a meal prep plan for the 7 days, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and snacks. You're going to print off the list. There is a link below to print it off, and you can take that shopping with you. It's approximately what it cost me is also noted there. I'm in Canada. Of course, prices and costs are going to vary throughout the globe, of course. Let's talk about the cabbage soup. My husband invented this recipe. I have a link for the how-to from his YouTube channel in the description box below. You can find it all there. Benefits of cabbage soup include may reduce blood pressure, it's low in fat, and it's a good filler, okay? And it's a healthy one. Another item I want to talk to you about is the Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is improving your bone health, reduces appetite, boosts metabolism, improve gut health, and can help build muscle mass. Eggs improve muscle health. Asparagus is rich in antioxidants. Avocado is great for heart health, improved digestion. Sauerkraut is good for heart health, bone health, immune health, gut health, the gut microbiomes that people often neglect. Rice is a good source of carbohydrates for you, which is your body's source of fuel. So you do need carbs. Okay, the carbs, the good fats in the yogurt, the good fats in the avocado, the sauerkraut for gut health. There are meat options in here that you're going to be able to do. You can swap them out for your ground beef. You can swap it out for a steak. You can swap it out for ground chicken, ground turkey, tuna. So those things you can swap out as you see fit. You are going to try to get 10,000 steps per day. You are going to pair the workout of the week below with a 30-minute walk outside or 30 minutes on the treadmill if you have access to a treadmill. You are aiming for that 10,000 steps. Get yourself a really cheap pedometer. You can get maybe at the dollar store, clip it onto yourself, clip it onto your belt every morning, and see where you're at the end of the day if you've reached your 10,000 steps. Don't worry about equipment, but when you are ready to buy some equipment, you can buy equipment during the summer at garage sales, or if you have them throughout the year, wherever you're from, go to garage sales on the weekend, pick yourself up some hand weights, pick yourself up whatever equipment you think you might be interested in buying. You can also go to thrift stores and grab equipment. You don't have to spend a heck of a lot of money on your equipment. In fact, a lot of what I have, I bought at thrift stores or I got at garage sales. I also got a free bike, okay, from Facebook Marketplace. Another tip is when you go to the grocery store, try shopping around the perimeter of the grocery store and avoid what's in the center of the grocery store. In Canada especially, and I know in America as well, that's pretty much where all the junk food is. So we're gonna avoid this junk food situation, at least for the next 7 days, see where you're at. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this very useful and informative. I hope you give this a try. Let me know in the comment section below if you do. If you have any questions at all, ask away. If it's a food question, I can ask my husband. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to his channel as well right here. And perhaps you'll like this video here, but you're going to do the 7 videos in the description box below. Follow the meal plan. The link below is there for the food shopping list. I'd love to hear from you. Good luck and have an awesome, awesome day.